Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. You're gonna love this. This baby was flown in from Kobe.
Babe, you know if cows had their own country, they would be like the world's third biggest greenhouse emitter.
Honey, look at where we are. Cow farts can't get us here, and the cow is dead already. So just eat it.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Let's not waste water.
I wasn't wasting, just brushing.
Well, turn it off in between because I heard by 2030 the world will exceed the sustainable water supply.
Someone will figure something out by 2030. And hey, in Israel, they turn salt water to normal water.
I bet that process uses a lot of energy, so we need to conserve.
Maybe, but don't worry your pretty face, okay? The guys in the government will figure it out.
I guess it's broken.
What?
The faucet.
Did you see